under the chairmanship of Chairman Insigne, who I understand will be leaving this year. So we look forward to a new leader in the NCIP and a way forward with him as well.
Sa nung nakapanang na istoryata at panahon na kilalatas ang anak na irong-irong na puno sang pangkat kagsang kagkakong sa itanong ni Tago Paiburong ipabukal ko ang imong ngalan ipabukal ko ang mga pinuhatan sang imong ginikanan kag imong kabataan kapuli kay pagkadto sa kauswagan.
We were invited, actually PBSP was invited by the Canadian Embassy and the National Commission on Indigenous Peoples to help them out in the aspects of community-based enterprises with the mining community, with the IT communities in the mining areas. Now, there are two things, as I said, why we consider this engagement and partnership with the Canadian Embassy and NCIP. One is that on the ground, we see IT communities who have problems related to livelihood and also enterprise development. And second, we see companies, mining companies, who are genuinely concerned with the development of the indigenous peoples. That is actually corporate social responsibility manifested not only in their giving, but also in the way they do business, the way they comply with laws. And I'm very happy that I see and I hear mining companies who do not only wish to comply with the law, like in particular, you have the social development management plans and royalty fees, but also they want that these financial resources will have and create impact on the lives of the indigenous peoples, even beyond the lives of the mining operations.
When we were assessing, o ina-assess namin yung pagtatayo ng mga community-based enterprise, is yung the only market is Oceana Gold itself. And we train them, tinuruan namin kung paano yung proper pamaraan para sa construction at saka ng mga requirement namin kung ano kailangan namin. And then group namin together. And then instead of hiring you one by one, as employee of the company, pumasok sila as legitimate talaga, na may lisensya, na may lahat ng mga papeles to be our contractor. Yung 24 kilometers na road na ginawa namin packet sa Mina, sila ang nag-contract sa amin to do yung mga gabyon, riprapping, at lahat ng mga river crossing.
Halabira, Iloilo, mapukal ng alam. Halabira, Iloilo, mapukal ng alam.
Palibasa na kita rin ng gobyerno, yung local government doon sa Vizcaya at saka sa Quirino, nagkaroon din sila ng chance na makapasok as a small contractor. Kami yung test market. Kami yung unang-una naging kliyente nila hanggang sa nakalabas na sila. So, yun ang tinatawag nating community-based service enterprise. Walang produkto, yung servisyo nila lang.
Ikaw ang palanggaon. Halabira, Iloilo, Viva Señor Santo Niño. Halatagyang Iloilo, Viva Señor Santo Niño. Halatagyang Iloilo, Viva Señor Santo Niño. Halabira, Iloilo.
What was beautiful in this Surigao conference, Surigao workshop, is that we have a group of agencies who have committed themselves to work towards the implementation of community-based enterprises. And I'm very happy, genuinely happy with that. We have the DOLE, NCIP, PTI, the Commission on Human Rights, MGB, and of course your mining companies are also there, who are always saying that we are supporting community-based enterprise with the indigenous people. I'm very happy with that.
Ikaw ang palanggaon. Alabira, Iloilo. Viva Señor Santo Niño. Alatagyang Iloilo. Viva Señor Santo Niño. Alatagyang Iloilo. Viva Señor Santo